Alright, so I'm just using these little itty bitty gems just to accentuate on the already decorated nails. I just wanted to add a little extra sparkle to the green foliage that were on the nails with the orange slices. I was going to use some of the blue, but I feel like the green just went better, and it kind of gave a nod to Maui's skirt that he wore in both movies. And so I just went ahead and added little green gems to each of the nails that already had like the little orange slices on there. And I used that Beauty Secrets glue that was like viral on TikTok a while ago. That's really my go-to nail glue, really, these days. And for the plain nails, I went ahead and used these water transfer stickers. Now, I did add glue to the actual nail, and I think that I actually didn't even need to add the glue because it kind of created a white cast on there. It worked out though, in my opinion, because it kind of looked like the froth of the water and the ocean and stuff. So I mean, it worked out in my favor, but I think I could have just added the water transfer stickers and then did my top coat. But, let the creative juices flow as you see necessary when you're doing these nails. So this is the top coat I've been using. I don't really like it though, and I don't know if it's gone bad or what, but it doesn't really adhere to the nails. But I did apply a top coat just to seal down the water transfers and the gems, and then I put it under my UV lamp for I think 3 rounds of 90 seconds just to make sure that it was fully dry.